Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Check this out. I have no heat. I could put this as high as it goes and blast it and no heat. And it has to do with the blend actuator, which is the little motor that controls the little door that lets the heat in. So I'm going to show you how to change that. All right guys, the actuator is underneath the dash right under here. So you need to remove this cover. This cover, there's like a little tab right here that you push that way. So push it, pull down. There's another tab over here. You should pull down, and there's one last one. You push, and this cover comes out. Next, we're gonna remove the glove box. In order to do that, we're gonna remove the screw right here. Remove this little latch, and then we're gonna squeeze the sides and drop it down, okay? Next, we're gonna remove this plastic vent that's right here. In order to do that, just remove this little clip right here. Get a little flathead screwdriver, pry it out, okay? This is what the clip looks like. Now you're able to remove this vent. Just pull it out and remove it. All right, now you can unplug it. Just press on this tab right here and pull it out. All right, this is your actuator right here, and it's held down by 3 screws. 1, 2, and 1 more on top, okay? All right, this is your actuator. The top screw was a little hard to get to, so I used this 90-degree screwdriver to get to it. And this is it. This little arm moves back and forth, and that's what closes and opens the door to let the heat in. So let's throw the other one in. All right, when you put this in, make sure this little white lever engages with this other white part here. All right, just gotta put your screws. All right, guys, I want to show you how this works. Once you put the temperature up, see that level goes up and shuts or open that door. Once you lower the temperature, it goes back down, okay? Now we can put this vent back in and put your clip. Now you can put your glove box on. These things hook up to this, like that, and then you squeeze. And that's it. Okay, don't forget the latch. Put the screw on. Last thing you're gonna do is install this cover. And what you're gonna do is insert this part into the hole down here. And then you're gonna clip it into place. That's it. All right, guys, we got heat. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.